Here echoes. Repent? Or regret this soul. Repent or regret? Regret? Slips away. Forgotten or forgiven? Shadowed. Echo. They whisper. Forgotten. Forgiven. Repent or regret holds me tense. How came truth in the poet's lie? Conception of veracity. Defying fiction's flight into reality. Paradox. Son to father. By elemental verbal alchemies. Spiritual revelation. Unveiled in the poem's words. The poet is larvae. Truth lord verse disciplines martyrs. Our fiction's dominant veils disguise life compromise. 2. Honesty's food. In irony's intoxicating duality wrath finally transmuted. Hysterical frenzy to expose what astoundingly unyielding, strangely mystery-botting truth repays with a lie. Familiar gesture born from a deceiver's tongue. Uncanny mystery attitude. Red flag insult to the false mask. Bullying shadows of truth's ferocious imperfection. Slays liar knights. Sating beasts, craving for elemental. Truth, tornado, cyclone. Metamorphosis, clarity. Paradox, victor. Truth arisen from fiction's ashes. Metamorphosis revealed butterfly, Lord. Fetid father power, element thrall, needs must be catered to truth's matters of revelation with the cross of reality's spectacular disguise. Thy heart-planted truth reveals hearts, an eye-likened unveiled broken mask. Thy line beheld, message caught. Thy paradoxical assemblies of nights, truthful nights, multitudinous, forceful. Ascendancy is recognized, thy by blood-steeped revelation, plenished, raped spirit, upped in truth gorge, casts more volume. Constantly to thee we flock, battle juice, caparisoned, purpose-wise girth, caparisoned, liar lashing for truth. EVFL.